Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Aries for the month of December 2025. Okay, this is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Okay, my email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So, let's see what do the cards have for Aries for December 2025. December 2025 for Aries. Okay. All right. Okay. Please clarify the Hanged Man as the overall energy, general energy for Aries. Please clarify the Hanged Man as the overall energy for Aries. Okay. All right. Let's see what are the key challenges you might come across or deal with in December, Aries. What are the key challenges we have for Aries in December? What are the key challenges we have for Aries? Alright, please clarify the Four of Swords for Aries as a challenge. Please clarify Four of Swords for Aries as a challenge. Please clarify Four of Swords as challenge for Aries. Okay. Got it. Please tell what are the actions or advice we have for Aries. What are the action or advice we have for Aries? What are the actions or advice we have for Aries? Wow, the cards are just falling off. Please tell me what are the actions or advice we have for Aries here? What are the actions or advice we have for Aries here? What are the actions or advice we have for Aries here? What are the actions or advice we have for Aries? Okay. Please clarify Five of Cups. Oh. Please clarify Five of Cups as the action or advice for Aries. Okay. All right. Let's take one more. What are the strength and opportunities Aries will have in December? The strength and opportunities for Aries in December. Wow. Please clarify Nine of Pentacles. Please clarify Nine of Pentacles as the strength and opportunities for Aries. Please clarify Nine of Pentacles as the strength and opportunities for Aries for December. All right. So bottom of the deck we have Ten of Swords. Okay, so I see that you might be somewhere subconsciously, or this can be a recent energy, recent past energy, or the current energies, that you are dealing with something which was so painful, something which ended, or something which needs to be ended. It's at the corner, it's just about to end, or something you are dealing with which is very painful. Okay, some kind of, it can be betrayal for some of you, it can be end of a job, it can be end of a connection, it can be basically something where your trust was broken. Okay, something with it's like a setback. Okay, आपने expect नहीं किया था, and maybe आपने जिस पे trust किया था, your trust was broken in a very painful and unexpected way, and you are somewhere kind of still dealing with it or fighting with it, that pain. Okay, that is what also I'm getting for you, Aries. So the overall energy for the month of December for you, I see that you are somewhere now still holding on to whatever happened. Okay, because जो भी situation से आप deal कर रहे हो ना, आप उसको let go नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Okay, it's like आप उसको replay कर रहे हो बार बार जो भी हुआ है. See again, these are two bottom of the deck. So I think there was some kind of ego clash, some kind of disagreement, conflict happened, because of which some things ended. Okay, it was not something which was so easy to deal with, और उसकी वजह से आप उससे ओवरकम नहीं कर पा रहे हो, उससे मूव ऑन नहीं कर पा रहे हो. आप अपने माइंड में आप उस चीज को रिप्ले कर रहे हो समवेयर, एंड यू आर काइंड ऑफ स्टक इन दैट whatever happened. Okay, so you are not able to set yourself free from that energy which is, which was not so good enough to deal with. Okay, so maybe there is this need for you to, let that thing be wherever it is. Okay, जिसने आपके साथ जो किया आप उसको जाने दो. You just focus on how you can bring that healing, that love, that peace in your life back, okay, for your own self. Okay, so that is what you have to do, because there is this energy of being hanged, being in that loop, or being in that cycle of replaying the old thing which has caused you pain. Okay, it can be an emotional trauma, it can be in your workplace, some kind of office politics, some kind of, आपका आपके काम का क्रेडिट किसी और ने ले लिया, एंड यू आर समवेयर, डीपली हर्ट बाय दैट. आप जिस रिकॉग्निशन के लिए वेट कर रहे थे आपको वो नहीं मिला. सो इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. इट्स अ जनरल रीडिंग, so I'm not particularly focusing on any area. It can be a overall energy in any areas of your life. Okay, for some of you it can be love relations, it can be emotional connection, your friends, family, old bond. Okay, for some of you it can be related to your work, your career, or anything like that. Okay, so something you're dealing with, and something which is holding you back and not letting you to move on from that situation. Okay, yeah, that's the overall energy. So you have to just set yourself free. Okay, release yourself from all that, whatever happened. आपको उसको जाने देना. You need to focus on letting go and come out of your comfort zone, which is painful. Sometimes pain also becomes the comfort zone. Okay, sorry, sometimes our pain becomes a comfort zone, and we are so comfortable in, replaying the same old things which is disturbing us and not sharing with anyone. So no, that's not the right thing to do. So try to come out of it by releasing it. Okay, another thing, the challenges here for you is, I think you will not, you want the long term stability, but you are not able to focus. Okay, because of this energy of being stuck. You are somewhere, you're not meeting people. You need that rest, that mental, emotional, physical, you want that peace. Okay, that is where that is missing. Okay, that is what I'm seeing, that it is missing. You want a long term stability, but you're not able to focus on things. You're not able to think clearly, you're not able to let go of the things, and somewhere it is, having that impact on your work life, on your finances, and some of you on your health also. Okay, so you want to, there you, even if you want to meditate, it's difficult for you because the things are just coming back again and again in your mind. Okay, so उस तरह की energy है. So just try to speak to people. Okay, हो सकता है आपका कोई close one हो, कोई friend, कोई, कोई ऐसा connection आपके life में जिससे आप, विदाउट हैविंग एनी फियर ऑफ बीइंग जज्ड, आप शेयर कर सकते हो चीजें. तो आप उस चीज पे ट्राई करिए कि इफ यू कैन शेयर, एंड इट विल हेल्प यू टू फील लाइट. ओके, अगर आपके लाइफ में आप, यू डोंट थिंक दैट यू कैन स्पीक टू एनीवन अबाउट इट, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन ऑन पेपर एंड रिलीज दोज हेवी इमोशंस. ओके, एंड इफ यू वांट, यू कैन बर्न इट आउट. And while burning those things, whatever you have written, just set that intention that you are releasing all this painful energies, painful memories from your mind and your soul, from your body, from your heart, and you're just setting yourself free. Okay, so just try to do a thing which you want. Basically, अगर आप थोड़ा सा meditate कर सकते हो तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. It will help you to have a peaceful sleep also, because some of you, I see, you might have some issue in sleeping also. That there can be some sleepless night because of overthinking and this energy of being stuck. Okay, that is what I see here is the challenge. Now the action or advice we have for you is letting go. Change your perspective. See, this card has again come up. You need to let go. जो चला गया है, आप उस चीज पे अपनी एनर्जी वेस्ट मत करो, आप उस चीज पे फोकस मत करो. Don't cry over the spilt milk. I know it's easy to say sometimes, but it's when you are dealing with it, it may be difficult. But sometimes when it is not in your hand, you can just surrender to the universe and focus towards your journey ahead, right? So just try to change your perspective. Be grateful for what you have instead of focusing on what is gone. Okay, just try to change your perspective. See, these both the cards are telling to change the perspective and release. Okay, जो नहीं है उस चीज पे अब और एनर्जी, अपना एनर्जी, टाइम, इमोशंस वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. rather change your perspective and reach towards your goal. Okay, you need to have that far sightedness, you need to have that energy, you need to have that passion towards your goal. जहाँ पे भी जरूरत है, you need to set boundaries and you need to be energetic. Enough of this emotional, letting that emotions overpower you is not good for you. You need to bring your energy back and focus on your goal, focus on your career or whatever it is. Just try to, whatever you feel passionate towards, try to work on that. Okay, that is what the action or advice is required uh, for you, and action from you and advice for you. Okay, so yeah. Now the strengthened opportunity is, you may have, for some of you, I see that in your workplace you would have achieved so much, or in a, आपने independently बहुत कुछ achieve किया है अपने life में, and you are kind of, free. Okay, there is nothing which can bind you or stop you from doing what you want. Okay, because there is this innocence, you have that energy of being a child, right? Child, how the child are, how the children are, कि बहुत energetic होते हैं, एकदम pure होते हैं, they don't play tricks or they don't play any mind games, right? So you have that kind of innocence. You need to just use that energy, that creativity, that strategy, whatever you have, okay, in your work and your finances, and focusing on your growth. Okay, so you are blessed, you're having the support of the people around. There is good news coming in for you. I'm seeing for some of you it can be anything. Okay, it can be a reward in your workplace, it can be a new connection coming in your life, it can be for some of you, I'm getting it strongly, it can be a job offer from a different place which you actually want. Okay, so us tarah ki energy hai, there is definitely growth coming in for you. So don't let these issues or these emotions overpower you and stop you from focusing on your growth or on your goal. Okay, so this is what the energy we have for you, Aries, for the month of December. So just try to focus on your work, overcome the the loss which you have gone through. Try to focus on your goals, be energetic, be passionate towards your work, and move on from this energy of this pain. Okay, you don't have to replay whatever has happened and waste your energy, your time, your emotions on that. Okay, so that is what the energies we have for you, Aries. If you have liked it, please do like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.